Hello friend. So today I have made a topology related OSPF issue. So this is a real related to one of real time issue I have created. OSPF route troubleshooting between Fortigate and Cisco device. Okay. So for this one, from this router, it was not able to send the traffic to this one. So suppose in this case, we are not able to ping the ping. We are not able to ping 3.3.3 from this one. So how to troubleshoot that one? That we will have a look on that. Okay. So during troubleshoot, like when we go on our LAN interface from here, when we are pinging 3.3.3.3, so it was not pinging. Okay. So we check the route here. So when we check the route, it is not having the route for that 3.3.3. Okay. So we check the neighbor. So IP SPF neighbor. So we are having one neighbor which was related to our FortiGate firewall. Okay. So what we did, we go on the FortiGate as well there. So it is having neighbor ID 20.20.20, that is dot one, that is the FortiGate router ID. Okay. So when we go on that FortiGate, so here when we check the network, so here we were seeing the both neighbor was up. Okay. And if we check that routing, in routing we can see that both are we are seeing the route here. So the route 40 gate was receiving one. We have noticed one thing in that OSPF. Both are having the same router ID. So what is it means, like both router was like it was having neighborship with the two routers, but both are having same neighbor ID. Okay, so that's why like it was receiving that neighbor, but when it is sending to the this device, so it is not receiving because it was the having same router ID. So it was discarding because it was saying that I am the router for this 4.4.4. So we will not accept this route. Okay. So as you know, OSPF work on a router ID. So each router should be having a unique router ID. So that was the causing the issue. So someone has configured on when we checked on this one, so someone has configured the wrong router ID. So here if you will see, we don't have any IP which is related to this router ID. Okay. Session OSPF. So if you will see, it is having 444, but here we don't have any loopback, or we have not configured that it's supposed to 3.3.3 or any other unique ID. Okay. So what we do, we go on configuration and we change the router ID what it was before. Router OSPF 1 and router ID. We took the router ID from this one of that interface. So we put it as a 3.3.3. Okay. So what it is showing, if we will change the router ID, it will not take in place until we will clear the neighborship. If we will clear the neighborship, it will make that neighbor down and it will refresh that router ID. So when like this was configured on that time, it was not having that issue After few days, when this router got refreshed due to reload, after that it started issue get started. Okay, so what we did, we cleared that OSPF process. Okay, here you have to put yes. So now OSPF will go down and it will perform new neighborship. So here you can see that OSPF went down and came up. So if you will see again here, so IP OSPF is up, and if you will see here as well, if we will refresh this one, you can see the router ID get changed, right? So now if we will see the routing here, routing was showing here before as well. And if we will go on our this one and we'll try to ping that IP, so it if you will see the route, we can see the route, it is learning now. And if we will try to ping that one, so it is pinging. So now issue is resolved. The cause was that someone has configured same router ID on this one as well, which was the causing the issue. So that was our fix. And thank you for watching. And if you want me to create any other video or topic, please comment. So we will create a topology for that one as well. And thank you for watching.